Turn any photo into vector art in Illustrator. First, open your photo in Photoshop. Click on the layer to unlock it. Now go to the Properties panel and click Remove Background. If you don't see Properties, just go to Window and turn it on. Next, add a new layer. Press Shift, Backspace. Change the contents to white and hit OK. This is your background layer, so move it to the bottom. You can also shift your subject a little away from the edges, so the selection makes a full closed outline around it. Now press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to make a merged copy of all layers. Set your foreground color to black and background color to white. Then go to Filter, Filter Gallery. In the sketch group, select Stamp. Make sure it's turned on. If some edges look broken or you lose details of your subject, cancel it for now. Go to Camera Raw Filter and adjust highlights, shadows, and a bit of clarity. Click OK. Now go back to Filter Gallery. You'll see the lines are much stronger. Play with light and dark balance and smoothness until you're happy with the result. It depends on how much detail you want. Looks good to me. So click OK. Make sure the outline around your subject is fully closed. Then press Ctrl-A to select all and Ctrl-C to copy. Open Adobe Illustrator. I already created a new A4 page. Paste the sketch with Ctrl-V. It's larger than the sheet, but that's fine. Click on Image Trace. If you can't find the Image Trace panel, go to Window and enable it. Under Advanced, you can adjust contrast, noise, paths, or threshold for a better result. Let's zoom in to check the details. More threshold means more detail. Less threshold means less detail. I think this setting looks fine. Also, check Ignore White, so the white areas are ignored. Now click Expand. Select the subject, hold Alt, and drag it to make a duplicate. Next, go to Pathfinder. It's also under Window if you can't find it. In Pathfinder, select Merge. Then, under Shape Modes, choose Unite. Make the background white. You can also add a stroke by going to Object, Path, Offset Path. I think around 10 millimeters looks nice. Press Ctrl-A to select both layers and align them to the center. Make sure they're centered both horizontally and vertically. Finally, go to the Layers panel and move the sketch to the top. And that's it. Your vector art is ready, perfect for stickers, t-shirt designs, or really any custom print project you want.